pregnant and worried what vaccines you are going to take, then this video is going to clear all your doubts. Hello, I am Dr. Ankita Mandal, consultant gynecologist and obstetrician at Bhagirathi Neotia, New Town. So, if you are planning for pregnancy, you should always get checked whether you are immune to rubella or not. This is simply checked by a blood test, and if you are not immune to rubella, then you should get vaccinated against rubella during this period. Usually after taking a rubella vaccine, we usually tell that you should avoid conception for 1 month. And what is the importance of taking a rubella vaccine? See, rubella presents like a simple flu in women, but the fetus can get many complications, like it can get aborted also, or it can develop many congenital malformations. So it's very important that preconceptionally you should check your immunity against rubella and get vaccinated. Now moving to what vaccinations you have to take during pregnancy. The first vaccine which we give is a tetanus toxoid or a tetanus TD vaccine. So this usually is taken between 16 to 20 weeks. And the next vaccine which we used to give earlier was the second dose of TT or TD, which was given 4 to 6 weeks apart from the first vaccine. But now we have moved to another vaccine which is a Tdap or a Boostrix vaccine, which is more beneficial than a simple TT or TD vaccine because it protects the newborn against whooping cough also. The third vaccine which is to be taken during pregnancy is a flu vaccine. Flu vaccine can be taken anytime during pregnancy. And what is the importance of taking a flu shot during pregnancy? See, influenza can present with more complications in a pregnant woman and can increase the rates of hospital and ICU admission in a pregnant woman. Apart from that, influenza can also cause complications in the newborn baby also. So taking a flu vaccine in pregnancy can prevent these complications. So that's all from my side. Thank you.